Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high-quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is: on Amazon you will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Specifications: 1600 max PSI, 1.3 max GPM, axial wobble plate pump, 12 amp, 120 volts, compact and portable featuring a built-in ergonomic handle, 100 series trigger gun with safety lock, adjustable bayonet variable spray wand, bayonet extension wand, 14-ounce detergent bottle, 20-foot high-pressure hose. Show more. The number 3 on the list is: choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. 1500 psi at 1.2 gallons per minute for maximum cleaning power. PWMA certified. Quick Connect wand comes with variable nozzle for a variety of cleaning applications. 20 feet high pressure hose for greater reach. Lightweight and compact design for quick and easy maneuverability. 3-year protects your investment. The number 2 on the list is: many positives reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. 1500 psi, 1.2 GPM will blast through grime and dirt to restore your surfaces. Versatile. Can be used vertically or horizontally for greater stability. 20 FT pressure hose. Provides greater reach without sacrificing power. 35 FT power cord. With inline GFCI for use on all exterior outlets. Soap applicator. To apply soap to completely clean any surface. 2 nozzle tips and attachable detergent bottle to complete any job. PWMA certified. 3-year warranty. The number 1 on the list is: this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Powerful cleaning. The electric pressure washer has 1700 max PSI and 1.2 GPM. Amps. 13 amp. Added benefit. The pressure washer gun comes with a soap applicator bottle for cleaning with soap. Storage organization. Onboard nozzle. Pressure washer hose. Cord. And wand storage keep accessories organized. Long-lasting performance. 20 feet. Kink-resistant hose eliminates hassle and provides long-lasting performance. Extended reach. 35 feet. Power cord for range from your outlet. Cleaning Equipment Trade Association (CETA) certified.